Welcome to another edition of Slot Streamer Sneak Peek. Today we're going to look at the new Big Bass game from Pragmatic, Big Bass Floats My Boat, which is out on the 12th of Feb with a max win of 5,000x. Let's go and have a look at it. Okay, so we will give it a few auto spins then. We'll start with 50 on a quick spin, see how it plays. We are of course looking for 3 scatters, as we are with all of the Bass games, if not most of them, at least. Have we got T's there? We have a tease. I do believe with this one we still get the respin feature. If you get 2 scatters anywhere above the middle reel. And the fisherman at the top can also collect symbols at random. That does trigger every now and then throughout the base game. You'll notice as well some of the fish symbols on this one do have multis on them in the actual base game itself, which is interesting. Okay, because we've not seen some of those features, I'm just going to give it another 20 and hopefully we get to see some of that. Okay, another tease. Okay, so we didn't get to see them on this occasion, but let's look at a couple of buys then. So we've got a 100x buy and a 300x buy on this Bass game. First one is 10 free spins and we're looking for 4 symbols to upgrade, and on the second one we're after 3 symbols, which makes it a super bonus. So let's have a look at the basic 100x one first of all. And what you'll notice on this as well, so any fish that land, they add to the multi in the back. So if you land any more on those reels, they do double, as displayed here. So 1850, that was a very nice hit there. So we'll expect those multis to build again there. Okay, building nicely here. We just need to be able to collect some of them, which would be nice. Okay, so that was our first buy, paying 18x. We will buy a super now for 300x. Let's see what we get on here. You'll notice at the top, instead of needing 4 fishermen, we're looking for 3 this time to upgrade. Oh, random octopus feature, bringing the fishermen up there. So we're building some of these multis up. So yeah, another difference with this one, you don't get additional multis when you progress to the next level at the top there, because they're already in the game. Okay, that's 3, so that should see us move on to level 2. Ah, the multipliers do increase by 2. Interesting. So each time a fish hits now, instead of increasing the multi by 1, it does increase it by 2. Which means we can start to build some really big multis on this bonus. we go. There's a bit of a better hit there. $50 fish as well, that would have been nice to hit. Okay, have we got any more? Couple more fishermen needed. Nice little $22 hit right at the end there. Okay, 57x back from that buy. Did cost 300x. We'll finish off with one more normal buy. See how we get on this one. No sign of the fisherman as of yet. Multis are starting to build a little bit. There he is. Okay, $10. Are we going to see any more? There's that $50 fish once again. Nice. Can we get two more? No, but we can get one more, so $18. Okay, 43x from that last one then. So there we have it. That was Big Bass Floats My Boat from Pragmatic, coming out on the 12th of February with a max win of 5000x. Thank you very much for watching, and we will catch you on the next one.